Welcome back for Season 3 of the Tourist Trek. We are at Epcot for the International Festival of the Arts, Jen and I's personal favorite of all the festivals that Epcot has to offer. And last time we were here, they had walls up around the new pylons that are centered at the entrance of the park. That has since been revealed. Take a good look at it. Totally fits the new aesthetic of Epcot. So if you're ready, we're going to go check out some of the new merch that Epcot has to offer for International Festival of the Arts. So if you're ready, let's go! Wow! How incredible! Now I know what you're thinking, where's Jen? Jen is actually not going to be in this video today because she had to take Thomas to the vet. Don't worry, Thomas is just fine. But I didn't want to give too much away of Festival of the Arts without her here, so I figured today's a great day to look at some merchandise. Alright, it's time to head into Mouse Gear. It's been a while since we've been in this store. It's been a while since we've been to the theme parks in general. Let's go check it out. Well, we didn't make it too far before we saw our first new Spirit jersey. Jen, I'm sure, will be looking very closely at. But check it out, it's got the old retro Walt Disney World logo on it. It says Walt Disney and World on the sleeve in that bright yellow. And staying on the subject of Spirit jerseys, this is this year's Festival of the Arts Spirit jersey. And it's pretty neat because it's got a 5th year anniversary stamped next to Figment in this bright neon, almost looks like tie-dye. It also looks like they have this melamine paintboard plate with the 5th year anniversary on it for $12.99. And it looks like they even have a Tervis tumbler for a price of $26.99. And it's got Figment and Dreamfinder on it. And what's really cool, limited release artist series, which leads me to believe there's going to be more different designs coming soon. Also, it too says 5th anniversary on it. And it looks like for $32.99 you can get this Figment Festival of the Arts shirt, and check it out. Embroidered on the bottom is a 5th year anniversary patch. And it's got Dreamfinder on it, and on the back side it says limited release artist series pass holder. Also in the pass holder exclusive section is the new D-Tech phone case for $29.99, and it looks like they even have it for the iPhone 12 and Pro Max. Awesome, finally. And it looks like they even have annual pass holder International Festival of the Arts 5th anniversary ornaments for $12.99. Seems like the trend is celebrating their 5th anniversary. And it looks like they have some annual pass holder magnets for $12.99. One is a rectangular form and one is an oval. And it looks like they have this really cool keychain that says Festival of the Arts for $9.99, and you can see Figment painting in there. Now it does look like they have some non-pass holder specific merchandise. Here's just the ornament, the standard ornament that says 5th year anniversary with no pass holder on it. And it's priced at $19.99. It also looks like they have some new iPhone cases with no pass holder logo on it, so if you're not a pass holder, you can still purchase these to celebrate Festival of the Arts. They have it all the way from the iPhone XR all the way to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And for $14.99 you can get 2 different types of magnets that say Festival of the Arts. These do not say the pass holder ones on it though, so these are kind of for the general public. So hopefully that gave you a little teaser of some of the merchandise that they have for the festival. I'm going to go around World Showcase and see if there's any more merchandise outside of Mouse Gear that we didn't get to see inside there. Side note, they were really pushing that mobile checkout, and we actually did that in a previous vlog. We'll put a link down below in the top right hand corner at the time we did the mobile checkout here at Epcot. So all throughout World Showcase you're going to see these little art booths scattered around, showing you some of the artwork that different various artists for Disney have made. It's pretty cool. Every time I come here I always spend a ton of money during Festival of the Arts. And since we've been gone for 3 weeks, they have put out 2 of the 5 Harmonious barges for the new nighttime show called Harmonious. Definitely big. What's crazy to think is that each one of those is a giant high-definition television. And according to the Disney press release, these will function as giant fountains in World Showcase Lagoon during the day and become Harmonious, the nighttime spectacular at night. You know, I heard they were large, but seeing them in person, they're definitely big when you compare it to the viewpoint of the rest of the lagoon. Alright, I think we're going to head into the Festival Pavilion to check out some of Epcot International's Festival of the Arts festival offerings. So where Olaf used to be for Festival of the Holidays is now Dave Avanzino, where he can make your own name in Disney theme park letters. Kind of gives you an idea of some of the artwork. Ooh, that Epcot one looks really cool. That's a really neat print. And it even looks like you can get ticket books with your name initials on it. That's pretty neat. Oh man, we just missed it. He painted that Donald right here and was jumping around and dancing to music while painting it. That's pretty cool. We'll have to come back and check it out sometime when Jen's here. How neat. This is pretty cool. In the very back of the pavilion, they have a huge art studio where you can purchase different pieces of art from Disney artists. And it looks like they've got some more marketplace stuff over there. Let's go check it out. Well, it looks like they got some Figment mugs for $19.99 that say Eat, Sleep, Art, and Repeat with the 5th anniversary logo on the back with a silhouette of Figment. And for $34.99 you can get this Tervis water bottle that says 5th anniversary at the bottom and Figment painting a Mickey. And it looks like they've got the official Festival of the Arts t-shirt 5th year anniversary for $29.99. Check it out, it's got Figment painting himself, Donald ruining the painting. Looks like Mickey drawing or painting, and Chip 'n Dale scurrying away with the paint on the back. Festival of the Arts 2021. And as you're about to leave the pavilion, there's a giant Thomas Kincaid area devoted to Thomas Kincaid paintings. Pretty neat. They even have some Star Wars ones, Marvel. Very cool. So over at the America Gardens Theater, they have Mariachi Cobre, which is a holdover from the last Food and Wine Festival and Festival of the Holidays, Animation Academy, which is awesome, and Voices of Liberty, the Disney Songbook in the evening. That is something we're gonna have to watch over and over again. I'll check it out. It looks like the spin art on the bicycle has made a return this year. You might remember when we did that the last year. We'll put a link in the top right hand corner in the bottom description box down below to the time that I rode a bike to make spin art. Oh my goodness, they have a Marvel fine art booth full of all sorts of fun Marvel pictures. Wow. So super cool. They actually have a whole Marvel booth full of Marvel posters and prints. Just took a peek at it. Some pretty neat stuff. I don't want to show it in this video because we're going to do a whole video on just the artwork around World Showcase. That'll be for a later vlog, but pretty neat. And just like every year, they have some really cool chalk art all along the bridge to World Showcase. It's pretty incredible. There's Olaf the Snowman in chalk art and abstract art that is in the shape of Donald Duck. In case you didn't believe me that they hand draw these, here's some proof that they're making art right now. Looks like Mickey, possibly? I don't know, let's take a closer look. Yep, looks like an abstract Mickey. Pretty talented. Also, it looks like Paint by Numbers has returned to the Festival of the Arts, this time in a different location, directly across from the Land Pavilion. So that's going to do it for us here at Epcot for the first time at Festival of the Arts. Took a quick peek at some of the new festival merchandise that they have. Got a sneak peek of some of the art that's on display and for purchase. We'll do a whole separate video on that, where we go and actually check out in depth some of the artwork that's available for purchase and some of the artists. Really cool festival. Can't wait to come back and enjoy it with Jen. Try out some of the food. It's going to be a fun kickoff to the new season of the tourist trek. If you like that video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell to join the trek with us and be notified when a new video drops this season. And until next time, see you real soon.